Hello everyone, I am Aakash Banjara and I am from Pune. I am happy to share that I have been placed as a machine learning engineer at top MNC company with good salary package. And this achievement I have been got with the help of HR Remedy India. PG diploma in data science with Gen AI. This 10 months it totally changed my life. The first 7 months I learn about technical training which include Python, Power BI, AI, machine learning and cloud-based deployment tools like AWS, Azure and many from basic to advanced. The next 3 months there is one intensive which is in top MNC company. I work on live project, software and tools which has helped me to secure my job in same company. I would like to thank you to Govind sir, Rahul sir who teach me the tools and software which is helped me for the current job profile. And I also like to thank you to Mohan sir who guide me and support me in this PG program. Thank you so much to entire team of HR Remedy with supporting and guiding me for this journey.